Jai Hind students, dear students, today we will discuss about the chemical changes. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the physical and chemical changes, periodic, non-periodic changes, and different kinds of changes we have discussed in the previous classes. Means whatever changes occur around us. Now today we will concentrate only on the chemical changes. After discussion of the chemical changes, we will see the chemical reactions, chemical equations, and chemical bond. Okay. Chemical changes means the changes which occur in the matter chemically, means chemical composition, chemical property changes, color changes will take place during the chemical changes. Okay. For example, suppose you have CaCO3. This is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. By heating, this is the symbol for heat, you will get CaO plus CO2. Calcium oxide, and this is carbon dioxide. So what will happen here? This is the example of the chemical changes. Why it is said to be the chemical change? What is the reason that you can tell that this is the chemical change? Dear students, chemical changes are the changes in which the chemical composition and chemical properties of the matter will change. So its property change here. Why it will change? Because here calcium carbonate, which is solid in nature and it is white in color, after heating you are getting calcium oxide, which is the solid. This is solid gas. Means after heating you are getting two different components, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is solid calcium oxide and gaseous system carbon dioxide. So whatever property we are getting for the calcium carbonate, we will get totally different for the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Here it is one component, two component. This is said to be the reactant, this is said to be product. Initial, final. So totally everything are changes here. So that is why it will come under the chemical changes. Okay, my dear. Now, so chemical changes are the changes which allow to change the chemical composition, chemical properties, chemical behavior of the matter, as well as color of the matter also. Clear, my dear? If you want, then I will give one more example, but before that we will see this one. See, this is said to be the chemical reaction, chemical equation. One chemical reaction I have represented in the form of chemical equation. Here we will discuss these four topics. So please come on. Firstly, chemical reactions. What is the chemical reaction? We will discuss with the help of one more example. Suppose you have the HCl, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide gives out NaCl plus H2O, that is HOH. HOH, that is H2O. Okay, my dear students, it is the example of the neutralization reaction. Why? Because this is acid, base, salt, water. A chemical reaction in which acid will react with base to give the salt, and water plus heat is said to be the neutralization reaction. Okay, what happening here that we will see. See, this is the chemical bond. This is said to be chemical bond. It is chemical bond. What is the chemical bond, my dear? Chemical bond is the force of attraction by which one atom will attract by the another. Don't think that bond means one bandhan, बांध दिया है. Okay, this is only the attraction in which hydrogen atom attract by the chlorine atom, sodium atom attract by the oxygen, that is hydroxyl oxygen, and this oxygen attacked by the hydrogen. We will see how chemical bond will take place in the next class, but now here you should know that this is the chemical bond. Okay, which chemical bond, my dear? This is old chemical bond, old bond. After reacting these two components, we are getting two different components which have the new bond. Okay, so what is happening in this reaction? In this reaction, breaking of old bond and formation of new bond are take place. This is said to be the chemical reaction. Means chemical reaction is the process. Chemical reaction is the process in which breaking of old bond and formation of new bond are take place. Only this much. And chemical reaction we are representing with the help of chemical equation. This is the chemical equation, my dear. It is the chemical equation in which we have represented the reaction in which acid react with base to give the salt and water. So this is the representation of the chemical reaction, which is said to be chemical equation. And chemical equation contain two parts. One is the reactant and second is the product. Okay, my dear. So everything is clear here, na? All four topic. Chemical changes is the changes in which change of color, change of composition, change of the properties of the initial and final matter are take place. And chemical reactions are the reaction in which breaking of old bond and formation of new bond are take place. Chemical reaction we are representing with the help of chemical equations. This is the chemical equations which have two components, reactants and products. Reactants attract to means combine together to give the product, that is new material which is said to be the product. And what happening in the chemical reaction? Breaking of old bond and formation of new bond are take place. What is the chemical bond? Chemical bond is the attraction in which by which two or more than two atoms are attract together to form a molecules, to form a compound. Okay, and in the next class we will discuss how many chemical bonds are there and how it will form. Actually chemical bond is formed by the